Hey, this is Chad at MHC Truck Source Atlanta. Today we'd like to talk about this 2015 Peterbilt 579 with PACCAR power. It's got the Prestige interior, 10-speed transmission, single bump, polished tanks that have the full-size sleeper door where you can get to your storage easy. Wide base wheels and tires that can be switched out for dual with virgin rubber. It's got the Peterbilt Flex Air suspension, full fairings, dual hood mirrors, PACCAR 430 MX engine. Like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, MHC Truck Source Atlanta. Thank you.